So welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now I have this specific unit here, and this is the blue shadow color. Okay, so the blue shadow color, made in Vietnam, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage. So let's get in the box and see what comes in the box of your Flip 7. Just gonna take off the security ties, and then I'll take off the front part of, the top cover. And then inside the top cover we have this little box with what I think is the usual, which should be your charging cable, your SIM ejector tool, documentation. Yeah, your charging cable should be right there. Now it seems like there's something else here. Nothing. So it's a charging cable and documentation and the SIM ejector tool. So I'll put that to the side. Then here we have this blue shadow Galaxy Z Flip 7. Okay, so nothing else in the box. I'm just gonna put that to the side, and then let's do the peel together. There you go. So that's about as fingerprint free as you're going to see this screen moving forward. Okay, and that color looks nice. Let's take off the cover of the cover screen. There you go. And it looks gorgeous, you have to admit. Okay, and this time we have a full screen all around, just around, it goes around the cameras. Let's do the fast fold. There you go, very satisfying. Okay, there's a nice hinge there, it says Samsung. We have the two main cameras, Type-C port, speaker, and the back, and that's it. Okay, so that's basically what comes in the box of your Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now I'm gonna turn it on and set it up in the next video. Thanks for watching and good luck.